And today's find is this beautiful 1999 Dodge Ram extended cab long bed powered by a turbo Cummins 5.9 liter and comes with the super impossible to find 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 4-wheel drive SLT LARAMIE model, loaded with every option available from Dodge for the year, and comes with a super hard to find, like I just said, 5-speed manual transmission. Clean title, CARFAX certified. No records, no signs of any accidents or damages ever. Appears to be all original paint that is in excellent condition, free of any of the known issues with these second gens, with the clear coat issues and the fading. The paint is in excellent condition. Looks like it's always been stored indoors. Same owner has owned this Ram since 2002. First owner owned it for 3 years, traded into the dealer, and the second owner purchased it from the Dodge dealer in 2002, and it had a little over 30,000 miles. Garage kept all its life, climate controlled garage. Very well cared for, the truck shows it. 100% stock, no mods, beside a Edge juice tuner for better towing and gas mileage, and he upgraded secondary fuel pump, external fuel pump, I believe it's electrical, and rear load leveling airbags. The truck comes with fender flares, Michelin LTX AT2s, 10 plies all the way around that have over 95%. Lear canopy, paint match to the truck, tow package. Let's open the tailgate here. The truck comes with a gooseneck prep and camper plugins right there with an auxiliary camera as well. Spray and bed liner. This is the stuff that I like to look at, and it tells me the story of the truck. Look at these jams, 100% rust free. This bed is 0 dents, dentless. Look at the jams of how clean the jams are. Here's the tailgate on close up. This is just grease. Excellent condition. Looks like this truck has never been used. Maybe just plugged in the gooseneck. A few times it towed. There's no issues with the bed, with the humps, with any of that stuff. Canopy has a rear slider as well as the truck, so you got full pass through. Let's go look back here. Couple minor flaws. The only flaws that I found on the truck, there was a couple little scuffs right here that the owner has touched up right here. Nothing to talk about on a 22-year-old truck. You would never expect the condition of this truck. Now, the undercarriage of this truck is also in a whole nother level, which I'll go, there's plenty of pictures of the undercarriage in my listing and I will show you, but also the interior of this Ram. It's not your average truck that you think is beat up, abused, ripped, you know, dog scratches or this, that, the other. Looks like it's never been sat in. These are the original seats, original seat covers. Look at the stitching. Look at the seats. Just insanely well cared for. Man, it's unbelievable how meticulous some people are, and I love it. We love super clean trucks, well cared for trucks, and that's what you find in our inventory. We don't just buy any truck. We pass on a bunch. That's what you find at our competitors. Just insanely clean. The jack has never been used. There's all your toolkit. There's a plug-in. Let's leave that there. Carpet is in new condition. You can see it. It's just the glare. 5-speed manual, as some call it, handshaker. wood trim look on the interior. Front fog lights. Let's go to the driver's side. This is being a LARAMIE. You get the heated seats, power seat. Everything operates as designed. All the seat motors, which if you've owned these trucks, you know these always go bad. This is part of our inspection and service. Almost every truck gets 1 or 2 new motors. So we don't just buy them and detail them. We go through them 110% to make sure everything operates as designed. Just power windows, up, down, quick. Everything is lubed. There's the passenger side. There's full up. There's full down. Same goes for the mirrors. Left, right, up, down. Let's take a look at the passenger. Let me zoom in. Here I am doing your manual inspection for you. So you guys and our followers and whoever's watching this on the listing, let me know if I need to do any modifications to the way I'm doing my videos. But call me, don't comment on here. Like I've said before, YouTube is just to get the link to get it on the website. Let's get this truck started. All factory equipment. The owner upgraded here and added the USB charger so you can have multiple chargers. You got both 5 volts, 2.1 amps, non-smoker truck, manual 4-wheel drive actuator. This is a plug-in for a camera in the bed. If you're towing something, the hookup in the back so you can mount it on your license plate or inside the trailer if you got a camera behind the trailer. It hooks up there. I turned it on earlier. You're gonna hold the button. Oh, because I don't have it plugged in. So you unplug this. You can plug that in. There it is, lit up. So that goes for that. Let's see if the stereo works. Okay. Let's go radio station. Stereo works. Country station. The dash is in perfect condition. There's no cracks. There's no issues at all. Head unit works perfectly. Perfect door. Never been used. Lights. Camera holder. The headliner is in excellent condition as well. There's no sagging. There's no staining. There's no rips. There's no issues whatsoever. I drove this truck for a couple days. Drives phenomenal. Got Edge tuner here, which is CARB approved for California. Way better gas mileage, more power when you need it. You got your full monitors on here, and 5.2s for towing, street towing, etc. Street option. Let's go take a look on under the hood of the speed. There's zero blow-by. There's no blow-by on this truck at all. Yes, this is a 5.9 running. Can you believe this? It's not even shaking it to move it away. This is a real healthy motor. It was dealer serviced with old records since new. There's your Edge tuner. Newer batteries, dimension. The headlights are upgraded with LED bulbs. As we know, that's what sucks about these old trucks. The visibility with the lights. So these got new LED bulbs. That's nice and bright. Got all the original manuals, the books, all the manuals for your Edge setup. That's for the client who upgraded one of the filters and the other filter between the pump and the tank. There's your manuals for the camera, so to set it up, and the camera that you can set up behind the truck. So there's all your goodies. let's get this thing turned on. Let me turn it off. Oh, there's no warning lights. Everything is operating as designed. Let's turn that off. Turn the headlights off. This is the driver's seat. Let me pull the key out. All right. Where do you find seats like this? But to me, when you find it like this tells you who the owner was, how well they took care of their stuff. They didn't abuse it. They took pride of ownership. Now, the better pride that you'll see is on the undercarriage of this truck. This truck is 25 years old. It's never been off-roaded, never driven in snow or mud. This is your piping for the fuel pump, etc. He's also got the special extension cord that's plugged in the bed, and it's ran through the engine bay, through the firewall inside the truck. You got this long extension cord if you need to plug in stuff, whether if you have generator outside or inside, etc. There's your hookup. Look at this undercarriage. It is just unbelievable. And no, this has not been coated. This is not coating. This is Armor All from the detail shop. There's all your serial numbers. When you coat these trucks, as we all know, then you cover. It's thick and it covers stuff. There's no hiding nothing here. There's your rear airbags, which I will show you in case you are the lucky owner. This is your valves right here. Still has even the caps on the valves. That shows you the ownership. Now, to show you that this has not been coated. This is the true condition of this frame. I'm gonna find where there's stamping or writing, but I mean, there's the bolts. That tells you. There's a thread. Let's go. I took some pictures. Let's go over here. There's your numbers and stuff. You can see the spots from the Armor All. There's your part numbers, etc. Look at this undercarriage. 100% rust-free on this 25-year-old truck. That's the story. That's the truck. 0 oil leaks. 5-speed manual. 5.9 4-wheel drive. LARAMIE long bed. Matching canopy. Rear airbags. 10-ply tires. Doesn't get much nicer than this. Now, in summary, because I don't want to make it too long, I can finance this truck up to 84 months as a new truck, as if you're buying a 2022 model. Standard credit union financing. There's no early payoff penalty or any of those issues, just like if you're buying a new truck. So I can finance it up to 5 years, 6 years, or 7 years. You can pay it off at any time. My credit union will do this. Your bank, your credit union will not do it. USAA will not do it. Navy Federal will not do it. Chase Bank, Wells Fargo, any of your credit unions will not do it. I can also finance it for the true value of the truck, for the full price with 0 down, if your credit qualifies. We work with all credits, but if you don't have decent credit, it just makes it tough to qualify for this program. I can also ship this truck right from my showroom, right to your front door. We ship our trucks every day. I sell my trucks all over the country, whether you live in Alaska, Hawaii, New York, Denver, Chicago, Arizona, California. We can ship it anywhere in the country, right from my showroom, right to your front door. We get it licensed, tagged, just as if you're buying it from the dealer down the street from you. So this is your chance to buy this 99,000 mile, 5.9, 5-speed manual, 100% rust-free, 2nd-gen Ram. Don't hesitate, because you're not the only one that's looking for it. And manuals especially do not last over here. So let alone this clean and this low mileage. For current pricing, visit my website, jordanmotorsports.com. Give me a call, Ash or Mark. We're happy to help you. We're a small family business. This is our showroom. Here's our offices. Here's our staff. And here's our awards. So you are covered. We'd love to earn your business and join you to our family.